Hadu laispa anyo po nyongut ki police officer bakanthop shispa iwengut ki kinthai hakakardan deputy superintendent of police sub inspector nakajilla Assam Arunachal Pradesh Mizoram Nagaland bat Tripura menta kasngi kila syapan ko buram ha menteri rang ba kajilla Assam uhimanta Biswa Sarma ubalawan banshim menta kum ukongsan hadin bekila pendep yaki jingsha hikai haka passing out parade jong ka 52nd batch of basic course na Northeast Police Academy kabadon ha Umsaw Ribhoy District. La sakilang ru hakani kasngi da kajing don lang u Anurag Agarwal Director ka Nepa Gyanendra Pratap Singh DGP ka Assam LR Bishnoy DGP ka Meghalaya u Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoy u Arpit Upadaya u SP ka Ribhoy u Giri Prasad bat kiwe ki he police officer na ka jilla Meghalaya bat Assam bat kantup ru nadu ki bahaying hasem ki te ki police officer ki bala pendep puraya ka jingsha ay jing hikai kat kumbalabu daka sarkar. Hakate ka passing out parade, shuaba kini kilais pa nyo po nyongut ki police officer na ki jilla bapher kathan syate lammingi kin shimti ya kakamban le syakri syakipad ba u Anurag Agarwal director ka Nepa ula shimru ya kabentaban pensmaya ki kat kum ki kendon trekam katanat pulit baki hapan don ka jingkit kli kum kita ki police officer habakin lejpat ban syakri syakipad ba. Hakate kasngi nakaliang kitay ki police officer kibala pendep iki jing hikai kila shim bentaru ya ka pared hakaba umentri rang ba ka jilla Assam uhimanta Biswa Sarma kum ukongsan ula shim ya ka salute.
I request the audience to clap while receiving the trophies by the trainees, please. YSP Provisioner Ambarish Sharma.
We are witnessing the passing out parade of the trainees of the 52nd basic course here in Nepal. The passing out parade marks a significant milestone in the journey of every member of a uniformed service. This is a moment of pride and accomplishment, and you all are going to cherish this moment all throughout your life. I extend my warm congratulations to you all. I compliment all those who have won medals and trophies at this passing out parade. It is a recognition of your hard work and dedication in the various areas of training. I also congratulate the proud parents and the family members of all the trainees who have come out here to witness today's passing out parade. মই সকলো ক্যাডেটৰ পিতৃ মাতৃক অভিনন্দন জনাইছো আৰু এই গৌৰৱৰ মুহূৰ্তত আপোনালোকৰ আনন্দৰ সৈতে ময়ো সমভাগী হৈছো। मैं सारे कैडेट्स का अपने पिता माताओं को अभिनंदन व्यक्त करता हूँ और आप लोगों का त्यागों के लिए मैं आप लोगों को भी नमन और वंदन करता हूँ। I also like to thank the director of NEPA, all the indoor and outdoor faculty members and the entire team of NEPA fraternity for successfully training such a large number of trainee officers. The Northeastern Police Academy has a glorious legacy. Established in 1978 on the recommendation of the National Committee on Police Training, headed by Dr. M.S. Gore, this prestigious institute since then has been creating to the police training requirement of the Northeastern state. The academy is mandated to impart basic training to the directly recruited Deputy Superintendent of Police and sub-inspectors of the northeastern state. It is indeed commendable that NEPA has trained more than 5,000 trainees on the basic course so far. I am happy to know that besides basic course, NEPA has also conducted various in-service course on specialized subject for the police personnel on various rank across the country, in which around 28,000 personnel of various ranks have participated from all over the country and abroad till date. During the 52nd basic course, the Academy has trained 377 deputy superintendent and sub-inspectors of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura, of which 276 are men and 101 lady trainee officers. The trainees have been given in-depth knowledge of law, social science, police science, subjects including cyber crimes, drill, weapons, physical trainings, and police operation. Postgraduate diploma in police administration and investigation by the Sardar Patel University of Police, Security and Criminal Justice, Jodhpur. I appreciate the NEPA authorities that during the training they have given more emphasis on practical and modular training and conducted module on crime against women, human trafficking, juvenile justice, POCSO and disaster management, public speaking and office correspondence along with field visits. I am sure that the training that the young officers have received here has adequately equipped them professionally, physically and mentally to deal with all the emerging challenges timely and with great distinctions. As you embark on your journey into the state police forces, you have to bear in mind that your duty is now paramount, requiring your utmost dedication and commitment. From now onwards, your role as a police officer takes precedence over everything else.
अपने लोग साइड पे अपना एक्सक्यूज मी